If you guys had followed my channel, I bought a new thin and light laptop yesterday, and one of the things that as much as I like a thin and light, it does not come with a Ethernet port. And one of the accessories that I have purchased is this little thing. So this is the TP-Link USB 3.0 Gigabit Ethernet adapter, which also comes with a 3-port USB 3.0 hub. So I just got this. I'm going to unbox this and try this thing out. So this particular model is the UE330. There are two other models, which is the one that doesn't have the USB port, and there's another one for a fast Ethernet adapter, but this is a Gigabit version. That's a box. Let's see what comes with it. There is a user guide. Just going to leave that aside. So it's just a dongle adapter connected on a USB-A connector. I'm going to leave this aside. So it's I won't say it's small. It's not very heavy. This probably weighs about like 40 or 50 grams. Let's in the plastic. So let me just show you around. There is a connector, which is a USB-A connected via USB 3.0 interface. There are 3 additional USB ports, and that is the Gigabit Ethernet port for the network cable. According to the manual, it does not need a driver. So let's see. So I'm going to zoom into my screen, and I'm going to like just plug it to my USB port just here. So let's see. Okay, nothing came out. So let's see. So on the device, you can see that the light has turned on. Okay, so let's connect our so I've got my Ethernet cable. Let's see if it works. So my Ethernet is connected. Let's see if I can get online. So it's definitely the Ethernet connection, which is connected. The adapter is a Gigabit Ethernet. However, my hub that I'm connecting to is a fast Ethernet hub. So I could try to do a speed test, and my connection out to the world is a 30 megabit per second connection. Oh, I know this doesn't prove a thing. I'll set up a file transfer later to check the speed, but in the meantime, I am getting alright speed. So this is just 30 megabit per second out to the world, up and down. So at least I'm not bottlenecked by that. Now I've also got a wireless mouse with a USB dongle. So let me just connect it here and see if it detects the mouse as well. Let me just plug this thing in. Alright, so my USB mouse, let me just zoom out if I could. My USB mouse works now. Okay, so Personally, I think the convenience of this is that at home I set up my Ethernet cable and my USB mouse, and when I want to head out, I just unplug this and it should switch back to wireless connection. Okay, so let's okay, let me just do this again. Let's refresh this. Okay, so this is my wireless connection. Now my wireless connection in my room is not that great, but even then I'm getting 30 megabit per second. I'm on wireless right now. So first impressions, I think this is particularly useful if you have got other USB devices at home, like a thumb drive and so on, so that you can just plug it into this inbuilt USB hub and the Gigabit Ethernet adapter built in. So you could leave this device at your workplace or at home and just bring your laptop. When you come back, you just have to plug into one USB connection and get access to all your devices. Now in Malaysia, where I am, this adapter, which is the UE330 TP-Link, costs about just under $20 US. That's about like 80 ringgits, and comes with a 2-year warranty. I think this is a worth it buy. As I said, TP-Link has got 2 other models. One model is the Gigabit Ethernet adapter without USB hub, so there are no USB ports, just the network adapter, and that I think costs about 70 ringgits. That's about like 17 or 18 US. Then there is a smaller one which is for fast Ethernet, that's up to 100 megabit per second without the hub. That one is a lot cheaper, half the price, but I think it was right for me to invest a bit more money to get the Gigabit version with the USB hub. This is going to prove quite useful. Comes with a 2-year warranty. So I'll set up a file transfer speed test later, and then we'll have a look. So I've got my file share up and working. My laptop is connected via the Ethernet through a 100 megabit fast Ethernet hub. So I'm just going to try to copy a 2 GB file, and let's see what speed we get. So I'm getting about 11.4 megabytes per second. That's close to 100 megabit per second. So if I can just zoom in a bit more. Okay, so that's okay, because the adapter is a Gigabit adapter and I'm connected through a fast Ethernet hub. So I'm just going to cancel this. I'm going to switch my hub to a Gigabit hub and see if there's any difference. So now I'm actually connected on my Gigabit Ethernet hub. So let me just try and copy and see. So I'm actually getting a lot faster, about 112 megabytes per second. That is Gigabit speed. Let's try again. So that's about 112 megabytes per second. That's almost 1 gigabit per second. So this device is definitely worth it, and the gigabit speed is achievable. So this is highly recommended actually. So if you have got any questions, just list it down in the comments below. I'll try my best to give you the answer. Again, this is the UE330